It's Miss BT here. Well, really, Britt and Bear. And so this is round 2 of our redecorate situation, revamp office space surprise for our sister. So it is currently 7 a.m. and she just left the house at 6:30, and we are headed to her house right now so that we can surprise her with a new office space. So in the last video, I shared an Ikea shop with us, shop with me, and haul, so that you guys could see like some of the things that we picked up from Ikea, as well as like what we got. So I just showed like the haul piece of it. So if y'all watched that, shout out to you, because little Bear was doing the most in the background. But hey, that's mom life. That's what it is. So but we're super excited because today is the day. Today is the day. Today is the day. So we're grabbing coffee. My battery's about to die, so there's that.
I'm not doing any slow-mo or anything, right?
No.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna go full HD.
Look at Big Papa's over there in his full, he is in full cameraman mode, y'all. Like, it don't get no better than that. Okay, so super excited. Oh, there's so much light coming in. Hold on, wait. Okay, there we go. Okay, so super excited. We are ready to go. And we are up in our sister's room. I'm going to show you guys the space in just a second. But I don't know if I said it already. The shop with me video and haul has most of the stuff that we purchased for this space. So you guys are going to see a full before and after transformation. Before and after transformation. Okay, so her office space. All right, so here is the before. So, you know, it needs some work. You know what I'm saying? Like this right here, this office space, it doesn't reflect, you know, my sister's spirit. You know what I mean? Like she's just that boss, B-I-T-C-H, okay? And we about to give her that space. So we measured out everything. This wall here is 94 inches. And then this wall here to the window is 60 inches. So we have a 94 by 60 inch space. We're going to do the L-shaped desk and all of the things. We have this little window here. So we're adding some window curtains to fill up this wall, along with some wall art that you guys will see. And then on this wall, I'm just going to hang a hook. I'm going to kind of leave it so that we can see like what else we might want to do there later. But I did get the like hooks or whatever that we'll put on this wall so that she can put like a purse, backpacks, those types of things over there. So we're going to create her a full-time corporate life space and then a personal work life space.
I'm ready to get it. I'm ready to rock and roll.
His juice is flowing.
Juice is flowing. Let's get it. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready. I think she's going to absolutely love it. And then we're going to set up the cameras at the end and do like a big reveal to get her real reaction. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. It's gonna be dope. Yes,
it's gonna be super dope because she is actually out at a volleyball tournament right now, and she left at the crack of dawn. I think I mentioned she left at 6:30. It is currently almost 8 now. I think. What time is it? Yeah, okay, so it's 8:15 now. So we got everything out the truck. Everything's up here. We already started taking some before pictures and stuff like that. So now we're just gonna get it. So y'all are just gonna see us put this space together because I'm so excited.
But guess what? Teamwork make the dream work, baby.
Teamwork make the dream work, baby. Okay, so now we're getting ready to put on these legs so that we can get them all adjusted. But showing y'all really quick. So for Ikea tabletops, because you can really customize however you want your desk to be, they have these perforated holes for you, which makes it so much easier. So you can basically just like select your tabletop and your legs. They have all kinds of different legs that you can mount, but of course, like I said, we got these adjustable ones. So then all you have to do is just mount the plate on the perforated holes, and then what we'll do is we'll screw this in and we'll adjust it to the height that we want the leg to be. So super duper easy and super customizable, which is nice. So now we're just getting ready to put all of this together, figure out exactly how high we want her desk. We know that she likes, you know, a decently high desk. I mean, they're all tall. Our sister is no different. She is tall. So we're going to do the test with Bear, because of course Bear is the tallest out of his siblings. And so, and then you and him and our brother-in-law are like the same height. So we'll make sure that it has a good, was it clearance? Mm-hmm. Clearance for them to be able to like slide in, slide out, and all of that. So I am so, y'all, I don't know how many times I'm going to say I'm so excited, but I am. But y'all already get that. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to put these legs on and see. And you guys will see how easy these legs are to adjust. I'll put it all right there. So they're super easy to adjust as well. You just, what is it? Lefty-loosey. So turn it to the left and then pull it out. And then it's super faint. I don't even know if it's going to show up on the camera. Maybe y'all can see it. I don't know. But it has these little lines on it that tell you exactly like how high or low it is. So basically you pull them out however you want, and then you righty-tighty twist it to lock it. Do y'all do that? Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. It's like one of those things that like you learn in elementary school and then it just sticks with you for the rest of your life. So yeah, so lefty-loosey to open it up, righty-tighty to lock it in. And then what you'll do is you'll just take this little screw thing here at the bottom and we would just screw that thing in, you know? So we're going to do that for all of them, but we're going to determine with a small desk exactly how tall we want the desk to be. So let's get it! I got these glass adjustable desktop monitor risers. There we go. They're very similar to the ones that I have in my office, and I got them from Amazon, of course. So I'm getting ready to put them together, and I'll show you guys because they're pretty easy to put together. Okay, well, the ones that I had were pretty easy to put together. We'll see what these look like. So the space is coming along great. Bear is on the floor right now doing the last piece. So while he's doing that, I'm actually bringing everything that she needs back into her office space so that we can kind of put all of her like real stuff back and really just go from there. So I'm pulling in like her books and stuff like that. Some stuff that I think we'll probably have on display. You good down there?
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, okay, perfect. So Bear got it. I'm about to put some of these books and finish decorating, but I'm gonna show you guys. So here it is. Ooh, y'all, this look good.
It does look really good.
We're not even done yet, so I'm gonna vacuum in here. Put all the, I'm gonna try to put as much away. I went ahead and displayed just a couple of like her purse and her backpack up there so she can see that she can hang some stuff there. And yeah, y'all, this is coming together so nicely. So I originally wanted to put the printer over there, but it's too big. So it now is taking space in this corner. I'm trying to like, you know, decorate it a little bit, make it not look so in the way, but it actually doesn't. Actually looks pretty good. Huh, okay, I don't hate it. And then this is gonna be her personal workspace. I think I'm gonna put this on the floor though. I don't think I'm gonna leave that up there. And just kind of go from there. But yeah, this is looking good. Baby, what do you think?
It's looking really good. This space is really transformed, so I'm excited.
Okay, we're gonna sit y'all down for a second and finish putting this stuff.
What the What?
Okay, surprise test. Take two. It's gonna be me now. Get in this. That damn get. Oh, you did this for me.
I love you, baby.
You did this for me.
I love you.
Oh my god. Okay. Okay, I think we got it. I think that was good. There.
We're about to do something.
Oh my gosh, this is so
How you like it?
Surprise! Oh my god! I'm like, who?